Home affordability is at an all-time low right now in San Antonio, Texas. Prices are continuing to go up on homes and really anything involving cost of living. The current average rate of rents right now for a 3-bedroom home or a 3-bedroom apartment is sitting right around $1,750 to $1,850. Now, this is a major concern because they just continue to keep going up as far as the average goes. A lot of wages are kind of maintaining where they're at, so the actual affordability is getting even tougher. And there's a lot of renters out there that are getting to the point and making statements that they may never even get to purchase a home. Now, that may be true. If some people don't take advantage of the current market that we're in right now, it's gonna get tough. So what I wanted to do today was display a home that you guys can actually lock in that is going to give you that 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, give you an actual home to live in. So maybe you're on a plan to, buy your dream home, or maybe you want to buy some land or whatever the case may be, but right now you're currently renting. Instead of signing a 1-year lease or renting for the next 2 years or whatever the case may be, I'm going to show you guys a home that you can actually get that's going to give you right around that $1,800 payment. Now, this is an actual home, right? Not something that you are renting and paying someone else's mortgage. Now, everybody is at a different time and state in their life where they may have to rent, right? But if your credit isn't there yet, or you just need to save up a little bit of money, or there's some things that you need to take care of, by all means, we are all about working with anybody and coming up with a game plan to get you to home ownership. So this home is priced around $233,000. It is 1440 square feet, is brand spanking new, and you literally only have to bring your down payment to the closing table. For this home in particular, it's around $8,200. The builder that we're working with is actually giving incentives to help cover all of your closing costs, so you don't have to pay that. They're also helping buy down your interest rate, giving a lump sum of money up front to help you buy down your interest rate back into the 5s to help get you to that $1,800 payment. And you can also lock in this home for $750. Let's go take a look at it. All right, so it's gonna get kind of loud because they are finishing up the painting and a few other things. But what I wanted to do was show you guys this actual home that's available. So if you were to lock this home in, you would go through the pre-qualification process and basically work with the lender back and forth. Then you would set up your walkthrough, and then we would come blue tape your home, make sure that everything is to the T, and then we would schedule your closing date. So towards the end of November, you could actually have your keys to your very first home. Now, this may not be your dream home, right? But it's way better than renting. So what you could do is use this as a stepping stone if you really want to. Now, some people do move into these homes and they stay here for a long time. They make their own adjustments, they add on to the home, they change some things, and it becomes their forever home. But if this is just your first home, these are starter homes. This is a great deal that you can actually take advantage of. What I wanted to do was show you guys this home, and then we're gonna go check out the model home that actually has this home fully finished. That way you can actually see it with a little bit of furniture, see how it finishes out. That way you can get more of an idea of how this home can look with your stuff in it. So let's check it out. So as I mentioned, they're currently doing finishing the paint, finishing some touches on the home. There's your 2-car garage. You walk up, all this right here is gonna be filled up. This is not completed yet. It looks kind of rough, but they're working on it. And they're gonna be adding some sod and some grass here throughout, right? And this home is actually located towards the end of the section before they continue that last one, so they're gonna be doing some more over there. You got some stone in the front right here. Open floor plan. Got quartz countertops. Very nice. With a deep sink. So you'll have your gas range stove, your vent-a-hood that actually vents outside right there. And then you'll get your dishwasher right here. The only thing that doesn't come that you'll have to get yourself is the refrigerator. So as I stated, this may not be your forever home, but these are considered starter homes. They are brand new. They come with full warranty, 10 years for your structural, your roof, your foundation, and then a 1-year doorknob to doorknob, which pretty much covers everything in the entire home. And again, this is pretty much just coming to the closing table with your down payment. You can get that from your saving. You can take it out of your 401k. And then there's other options as far as down payment assistance programs as well, but that does affect the interest rate, which obviously that gives it a different payment, but there is those options, right? So we're all about giving every single option possible, making the process easy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go check out the model and actually see what it looks like finished with some furniture and stuff like that. Actually, let me show you the backyard really quickly. So you got some steps going down, and you have this yard right here. That pink flag right there, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's where the fence stops, so it'll go all the way back there and wrap around. And it doesn't look like there's any homes being built back here yet, so you will have a green space in the back. It looks like there might be like some kind of a walking trail right there, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, definitely a decent sized backyard. So like I said, they're finishing up the paint and stuff here, and look at that. Stuff I do for you guys. But anyways, let's go check out the model home. Alright, so here's the model home. This is the office area. This is considered the garage. It was just transformed into an office. You got the stone finish. The only difference between this one and the other one is that home that's actually about to be ready, the driveway is on the other side, so it's just kind of flip-flop. So everything inside this home would just be flip-flopped from left to right. So if you go to the right, you have your coat closet right there. Come more this way, you have your open floor plan. This is how they have it displayed, with the couches right there, and then some nice wall art right there. The two secondary, the second and the third bedrooms right here. So there it is. The other bedroom, the closet as well, restroom. You have your dining table right here, and then you have your kitchen right here. Has the deep sink, gas range stove, and your vented hood that vents to the outside, and the dishwasher. Like I said, the only thing you'll have to get or bring is your refrigerator. One of the biggest differences is the countertops in the other home is quartz. They used to do granite. It started as laminate, they went to granite, and now they're doing quartz countertops. So a lot of clients are actually liking that feel better. So now this is the model home, so this backyard is a little bit smaller, but the one that is down the street has a bigger backyard. This is where you have the master bedroom. It's a good size. This is a king-sized bed. They got the dresser right here. Very nice. And then this huge master closet. So there you have it. Like I said, you know, this isn't a crazy expensive home. These are considered starter homes, but it's definitely something that can get you to that payment where instead of renting, you can just purchase, right? And right now they're offering crazy incentives to help you buy down your rate, pay for all your closing costs, and just a bunch of extra goodies that these builders are offering. This is just one of the lower end priced when it comes to new construction homes. I was also just informed that they have another home that is a little bit smaller than the one we saw, right around 1,200 square feet. And that one is going for $210,000. So that's gonna get your payment around $1,600 and some change. So that's even less. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath as well. 2-car garage, just a little bit smaller. But nonetheless, you know, if you're looking for one of those deals that you just can't pass up, this is one of them. So let me know what you guys think. We're the best in town when it comes to relocating, moving, purchasing, renting, selling here in San Antonio, Texas, or surrounding areas. And if keeping up with the market or keeping up with any of the details going on here, in San Antonio as far as lifestyle or living. Make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, let us know what you think. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every single time we come out with another video. Thank you guys for taking the tour with me today. I hope to see you guys in the next one.